You may live with a night or two alone, but you're still just doing
Chance encounter
Sorry, I wasn't looking.
becomes the chance of a lifetime.
You're going to the ball. Guys don't even know I exist. No one will know who anyone is.
Who is that?
Guess the music just speaks to me. I have to go.
Now, this Prince Charming is on the ultimate search for the girl with the right moves.
Okay, I need to find somebody who was at the dance last night.
Everybody tells me that it's wrong what I'm feeling.
Pick up that glitter. See the glitter? Yeah.
Cinderella story.